y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to view what I got in my Fab Fit Fun box for the summer of 2020. I'm so excited to open it and show you guys what I got. I have been really excited about this box for such a long time. The spoilers were so good. I'm a little sad about, you know, some of the items that I had to pick because the ones that I wanted sold out, so that kind of sucks, but I'm excited to see what I did receive with the other categories. I haven't seen any other unboxings, so I'm not really sure, but I'm excited to get into mine and show you. Let me just pick up my box. It's just really heavy. I didn't want to show it like yet. Let me just show you. Okay, here it is. Fab Fit Fun, super exciting. But anyways, if you guys would like to show some support, then please give this video a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would literally mean the world to me. Over half of my viewers are not even subscribed, and if you're already a viewer, if you would do me the honor and going ahead and subscribing, it would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so I'm so excited to get into this. I backed my camera up a little bit so it would be a lot easier for you guys to see. But anyways, here we go. I'm beyond ecstatic. Okay, so we have our magazine here, which is going to tell us prices, but honestly I don't care about prices. And then we have this little guide that we get all the time. Okay, let's rip into it and see what we got. Okay, so on top here, it was actually my choice item. It wasn't what I wanted to originally pick because I wanted the kimono, but it sold out, so I was really sad. So I did get the Michael Kors travel passport, travel wallet or whatever. I was thinking about maybe doing a giveaway or maybe just gifting this to like a family member because I mean it's cute. It's Michael Kors. It would kind of match my Michael Kors purse like perfectly, but I mean I don't really use it anymore unless I'm like putting my laptop in it. But I use the Calvin Klein purse that I bought from Darren Page, who is on A Double Shot at Love. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna give this to a family member because I mean, you know, let's spread the love and let somebody have some Michael Kors in the family. Really cute though. I mean, I really like this little wallet. It's super cute. Anyways, let's go on with the next item. Let's see. Oh, I want to show you what I'm actually like most excited about out of this whole box, which is really silly. But this little key necklace, this was a choice. This is what I wanted to pick. It's just a little necklace and it has a key on it and it says believe. It says made in China. This is from the Giving Keys in Los Angeles, California. Choose and embrace your word. Pass it on to someone you feel needs this. The message. Support jobs for people transitioning out of homelessness. I think that's amazing. So yeah, here is the little necklace. It is so stinking cute. I don't know. I just thought it was so cute. I hope that this isn't gonna break down in the shower because I like to wear necklaces and never take them off. Like this is my Kate Spade necklace. It hasn't tarnished whatsoever, so I do love that. Let me show you again without that plastic, and you can really like see it. Like it's just a dainty little key and I think it's just so cute. So this was like the most exciting item that I wanted. So anyways, next up we have a Unibrow pencil from Winkie Luxe. They actually sent this to me in PR, so I already own this product. So I don't know if I'm gonna keep it or if I'm gonna give it to someone, but I did get the Unibrow universal brow pencil. So that it's actually a really good brow pencil. It's in the same shape as the Anastasia brow definer. It has like that, it's bigger, it's not just a point, but I think I'm gonna give this to a family member to have. And yeah, it's a good pencil eyebrow brow pencil. So if you get it, you're gonna really like it. Next up we have the Makeup Drop Hybrid Silicone Pad and Blending Sponge. This is something I was intrigued by and I thought, you know what, I kind of would like to have that. So I'm very excited that I did get it in my box. I know like a $50 box, you want a makeup sponge. I know, crazy, but it's like it's so different than anything that I have that I'm just like, I want it because it has this little like silicone part to it, and I feel like it would just be a whole lot better to like use. I don't know, because I haven't really been using sponges lately at all because it's just not working for me anymore. It soaks up my makeup and it like pulls like the foundation off, and I don't like that. So I've been using my Tati blender, but this I want to really give a go for this silicone side right here. So I'm excited about that. We're almost done with the smaller items before we get to the two big items. I'm not sure what this other one is, but Anyways, we have from Spongel the hand cream coconut verbena infused with shea butter, macadamia seed oil, and argan oil. This is something that I know I'm never going to use, so I'm going to give it to a family member. I just want to smell it because I heard it smells like really good. Yeah, see, it smells so good. Yeah, this is something I'm going to give to a family member. I know they're going to appreciate that so much. Next up, we have from Grace and Stella. This is the Say Hi to Hydration Hyaluronic Acid. This is my second Grace and Stella product from FabFitFun. I've also purchased something from Grace and Stella from IPSY's website. I got one of their face rollers. I use it all the time. I think I have it like right here, actually. Yeah, let me just show you. This cute little roller here. I have a hair hanging off of it, so that's like yum, but really love that. So this is something very intriguing for sure. Honestly, I can't remember what my third choice item was. I just remember I picked the Michael Kors wallet and the necklace. I can't remember what other item was the item that I could pick, but yeah, here we go. Here's packaging, no plastic. Let's open it up. Let's take a look. Oh, okay, so this is actually like super cute. Look at that. Love the packaging. I wonder what it smells like. Let me just take a whiff. It kind of smells, kind of gives me like a hint of like a pool float, but this I'm actually excited to try out because it is a hyaluronic acid serum, so hopefully this will work with makeup. Like you can put this on before your makeup. I'm not sure if it says that we can do it over makeup, but you know what? That's what I'm going to use it for. So I'm actually excited about that. Next up, we have the Satin Pillow Sleeve from Silked. This might have been a choice item. I think I picked it. I did, spoiler alert, for Luxe. They had a satin pillow that you can choose, and I actually did choose a satin pillow for my Luxe for this month. It hasn't shipped yet, but you'll see it because, I don't know, I felt like I wanted it. So now I'm going to have 2 satin pillowcases. Yeah, okay. It actually feels like really nice. Hopefully it stretches a little bit because my pillows are huge, and this isn't gonna actually fit on any pillows of mine. Maybe it will. I don't know. Oh, so it has like an opening on both sides. That might be good because the pillow I like to cuddle with on my side every night, half the time it doesn't even have a pillowcase on it because I somehow in the middle of the night it has a pillowcase on it, and then I wake up in the morning and it doesn't. But I feel like this one will be good because that's the one I like lay my face on, and it's supposed to help with like wrinkles and stuff, so your face isn't like laying and getting all wrinkly. But I do like this color so much, and it matches like my decor, my vibe, which is gray. Everything is gray. So yeah, this is actually really cute, and I'm really excited about that. So this is gonna go in the wash. And then the last item, oh, this item was my choice item. This item was my choice item, that's right. The last item is this big guy right here, which was the diffuser, which I was most excited about, other than the necklace. But I'm really excited about this, like really excited. I'm talking to you and plastic is rumbling and you probably cannot hear a word that I'm saying. Okay, so, oh. Maybe it's not this that smelled like a pool float, because this smells like a pool float. Like heavily, like a freaking pool float. So I think I was just getting whiffs of that. Okay. Well, it's a nice box. Okay, just... Oh, okay. I was about to say, is it just this? Does it really not come with a base? Misleading, just like the spoiler on an official site that said that we were gonna have those really pretty vases that I wanted to put my makeup brushes in, but you know, whatever. I don't remember what this was supposed to smell like. I don't even think I even knew. I just wanted the diffuser. So I don't even remember what the scent was. If there was, I don't know. If they even said. I don't know. We'll open it up and smell it. I don't know. Here's the little sticks. It's been years since I've actually had a diffuser. I had a few of them back in 2014 and 15, I think. And then I just never bought another one when I bought my house, so whatever. But now I have one, so yay! Oh, I can't get it out of this packaging. Like, this looks just like something you would get from Pottery Barn. It's so freaking cute. Okay, I'm gonna get the little plastic things off these sticks real quick because I'm like, I want to smell. I want to pour this liquid in and I want to smell. It definitely has a rubbing alcohol scent to it, but also like a really yummy sweet scent. So I'm gonna pour it in here. Wish me luck. I also don't know if you're supposed to pour all of it in here, but I'm gonna pour it all in here because why not? YOLO. YOLO. Okay, there. We've done it. I don't smell it yet, but I know it like soaks into these sticks. So there we go. We've set up the diffuser. And I'm gonna put this in my living room somewhere. Ellie, watch out. There's boxes, girl. Come here. You want to say goodbye to everybody? Oh, and I also got a puppy in my Fab Fit Fun box. Just kidding. Okay, so that is it for this video. Okay, no, I don't want kisses. That is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And let me know down below if you thought that this was a really good box and if it was worth the $50. I think it was. All your opinions and comments, leave them down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!